Before beginning assembly, be sure all parts are present using the parts list on the back of the page. Attach the upper and lower parallel bars to the handle frame using the 8mm bolts, washers, and lock washers as illustrated in the diagram. Note, do not tighten securely until all nuts and bolts are in place. Attach the upper and lower parallel bars to the end frame using the 8mm bolts, washers, and lock washers as shown. The upper parallel bars are connected to the end frame with bolts threaded into the threaded plugs on the end of the upper rail as illustrated. The vertical extensions, legs, on the lower parallel bars are connected to the end frame using 4 bolts, washers, and nuts. At this point, it may be easier to undertake the next couple steps if the unit were turned upside down. Attach the caster to the end frame. The threaded posts on the caster are connected using a star washer and nut, as shown. Tighten all nuts and bolts securely on the entire cart and assembly. With the large bolts, attach the 6-inch wheels to the handle frame axle using a large washer on either side of the wheel. Do not over-tighten. The wheel should spin freely. Install the polyethylene rail guards. There are 2 different sets of rail guards. The guards without cutout notches are to be fitted over the top horizontal rails. The guards with the cutout notches are to be fitted over the lower horizontal rails, with the notched areas lining up with the vertical extensions. The installation requires separating the sides of the guards at one end and pushing them over the horizontal rails, working from one end to the other. Once completely installed, they should stay securely in place. Finally, when loading the stand onto the cart, be sure to flip the desk all the way over backwards to the storage position.